Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Snapchat shortcut. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Snapchat allows users to create and delete shortcuts, a feature that helps users send a snap to multiple people at once. Every day, millions of Snapchat users send snap to each other to stay in touch and maintain their snap streak. While some prefer to send it manually, others do it via shortcut. Snapchat also lets users create group chat with up to 100 people. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to create shortcut on your Snapchat. But now, what if you want to delete it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. After that, you can go to your inbox in here. As you can see, if you want to create shortcut, you can just tap on new in here. You can choose your friends and create shortcut. You can enter the name for the shortcut like this. And if you want to delete it, how to do it? It's very simple. You can just tap on new in here. You can choose on the shortcut that you want to delete, this one. Now you can just tap on the three dots over here on the up right corner here. There is an option to delete shortcut. You can just tap on that. Would you like to delete this shortcut? You can just choose on delete it. It's very simple, right? And if you want to make any shortcut, just do the same thing like this, and just you can just create the new shortcut on your Snapchat. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete shortcut on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.